So, got it plugged in. It's at 0. I've not turned it on yet. It did not have the rubber feet attached or the air filter. A couple screws are a little loose, but other than that, let's see what happens. That is quiet as shit. My last air compressor was just a tiny little one, just for pumping up tires, but that thing was louder than shit. I can't imagine what the other, like, pancake compressors would have been. It vibrates a little bit. Not the motorcycle. Ugh. It's not so much vibration, it's just that shit was up there precariously anyway. So. This is my normal kind of conversational voice, so really quiet for an air compressor. That's unreal. Got 2 little cylinders. Good deal. Stopped it right before 120. Check the regulator. Regulators. Turning, and turning, and turning, and turning. Good deal. So that's the first time turning it on. I'll give it a while before I do another review, if I do another review. California Air Tools 4.7 gallon. Quiet as shit.